Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Spice World Kitchen. Today we're diving into the world of Gujarati cuisine with a recipe that's close to my heart, Thepla. These delicious and versatile flatbreads are a staple in Gujarati households, and today I'll be sharing my family's authentic recipe with all of you. Before we get started, make sure you've got these ingredients ready. 2 cups whole wheat flour, 1/2 cup gram flour, besan, 1/4 cup yogurt, 1 cup finely chopped fenugreek leaves, methi, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons oil, water, as needed. Oil for cooking. In a large mixing bowl, combine the whole wheat flour, gram flour, chopped fenugreek leaves, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, salt, and oil. Gradually add yogurt to the mix. Now, knead the dough, adding water as needed, until you achieve a smooth and pliable consistency. Once your dough looks like this, cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 15 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld together. Our dough has rested, and it's time to make the thepla. Pinch off a small portion of the dough and roll it into a ball. Flatten it with your palms and dust it with some flour. Roll it out into a thin, round disc. Keep in mind that thepla is usually thinner than regular chapatis. Perfect. Now, let's move on to the cooking. Heat a griddle or a non-stick pan on medium heat. Place the rolled thepla on it. After a few seconds, you'll see small bubbles forming. Flip it and lightly press with a spatula. Brush some oil on top and flip again. Cook until both sides have golden brown spots. And there you have it, a perfectly cooked thepla. Repeat the process for the remaining dough. Serve these hot and delicious theplas with some yogurt, pickles, or even a dollop of butter. They're great for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these mouth-watering Gujarati theplas. If you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me on social media. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Until next time, happy cooking! Bye, everyone!